We do have some questions already that have been sent to us, and the first one is from Ricky. I was attacked by someone and I would like to pursue civil action. If this person pleads guilty or is found guilty in the criminal trial this month, does it mean success in the civil trial will be a no-brainer? Well, Ricky, that's a great question, because a lot of times, people, they don't like to plead out until they try to, it's a catch-22. Am I pleading out on the criminal case, or am I trying to resolve the civil case? And typically speaking, when you get a verdict where somebody admits in a criminal case, when they're pleading out, we get to use that in the civil case.
Left the barn at that point.
I know, exactly.
Right.
And so, there's a lot of depositions that our firm takes of individuals who have done other people wrong and have found themselves actually into the criminal justice system because of what happened. Maybe it's an accident with DUI or serious bodily injury, and they find themselves actually behind bars, and we're having to take their deposition. And it's constantly the Fifth Amendment right, or just I'm pleading the Fifth, I'm pleading the Fifth. They're exercising that right that you're referring to, and so at some point they're going to have to. The state of Florida is going to pursue that case and push that case through to where they actually have to enter a plea or go to trial to resolve the case. And if our civil case hasn't been resolved yet, well, we're just sitting on go, and like you say, the horse is leaving the barn at some point. And if there's a conviction, or if there's an agreement that's entered into, well, then we get to bring that up and
and I think it's because that standard in criminal court is so high,
right?
But in civil court, it's a little bit of a lower.
Well, it's for us. It's preponderance of the evidence. Whoever has the better evidence. And with you, Rusty, it's with you in the criminal world.
True.
It's beyond a reasonable doubt. And like you say, it's a lot higher burden that you have to overcome as a state attorney to prosecute somebody. But Ricky, it's a great question, because we actually see this day in and day out, literally in our office, and every other couple of weeks it seems like we're taking depositions of somebody who's in a different jumpsuit color than what their natural clothes are, and we're getting information from them.